I was 17 years old, I thought about what would happen in the future. It turns out that not all of my dreams have come true. And if there is a question, what do I want right now? The answer is back to that time, when I was still in high school, because I am free to express myself. Laugh without thinking about bills, joke and play feels very fun. The time passed so quickly, I didn't realize that everyone has their time, and people come and go.
And moment in high school is one of the best moments that I want to repeat again.